Hai, hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhamad Rizky Juniarto and from Geografi Education Department in Indonesia University of Education Bandung. And I will bring you to around my hometown. Are you ready? Okay. Welcome to Subang. Subang is a regency located in West Java Province, directly adjacent to Purwakarta Regency in the west, Karawang Regency in the northwest, Java Sea in the north, Indramayu Regency in the east, Sumedang Regency in the southeast, and West Java Regency in the south, making Subang Regency geographically one of the strategic areas in West Java. Subang Regency has a fairly complex history, ranging from history in prehistoric times to the pre-independence mess of Indonesia. In prehistoric times in Subang, it is evident from the discovery of stone eggs in the Binong, Pagaden, Kalijati, and Sagalaherang areas. Then, in the pre-independence era, Subang Regency, especially the area around Kalijati, witnessed the surrender of the Dutch, which had colonized 315 years to the hands of the Javanese government, which was marked by the Kalijati Agreement that occurred in 1942. In addition to its various historical stories, Subang Regency is also rich in a culture and custom that develop in the community. The majority of tribes living in the Subang Regency are Sundanese. It is just a little different when we visit to the northern region of Subang Regency, where the majority of the tribes are a mixture of Sundanese and Javanese tribes. This could happen because in the pre-independence era there was a mixture from Javanese and Sundanese tribes brought by many of the Sultan Agung from Mataram, who instead still and live in the northern region of Subang Regency. Subang is an area that is rich in exotic natural tourist attractions and is very worthy to be visited when the holidays arrive. There are so many waterfalls in Subang, starting from the Cileat Waterfalls, Cibarubay Waterfalls, Ciangin Waterfalls, and etc. In addition to, Subang Regency also has several beautiful beaches that are worth to visit. From Pondok Bali Beach, Cirewang Beach, pineapple or ganas is the hallmark of this city. Lots of souvenirs can be obtained from the raw material of pineapple, typical of Subang, or commonly we call nanasi madu. Ranging from dodol, pie, until yogurt, everything is delicious. And then sisingaan is a characteristic of the culture found in Subang. It has been around for a long time and is still being performed today. Furthermore, This time, Subang Regency is one of the new development areas in West Java province. This is evident from the constructions of the Cikopo Palimanan toll road access that crosses the Subang Regency area, and the construction of the Patimban International Port, which has led to many new industrial areas being projected to become one of the centers of new economic growth in West Java. All of this is also supported by the availability of qualified land, supported by close access to West Java International Airport in Majalengka Regency, or which is only 1 hour by the land or car, and also close to the economic center of West Java right now, namely the province capital Bandung City. So, this is my hometown where I grew up, where I got to know the world for the first time. I love my hometown and I love Indonesia so much. Thank you so much for your attention. My name is Muhamad Rizky Juniarto and see you again. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Langit sepi, tapi selalu ku coba tuh mengindahkanmu.